Hey guys, this is Hey43, and real quick, I just wanted to make a quick video on my computer progress. So, in case if you didn't notice, I've not been uploading recently, and I sincerely apologize for that because I just been really busy and very lazy. Because, school and, online school, you can kind of see me in that reflection a little bit. But, yeah, so I just wanted to make this quick video to apologize and show off the progress on my computer. So, this is what the case is going to look like. And it's kind of hard to see, but you can kind of see the stuff in there. And here's a bunch of boxes for parts and some still boxed parts. This just came yesterday, and this is still in its box as a cooler. And then it should be ready by next summer in 2021. So please expect it then. And then I should start making better and more videos on my channel. So, just making this quick update video. And I don't know when I'm going to post again. It might not be until a while. But I just want to make this quick video just so you know that I'm not dead, and just a quick update on the computer, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.